Hello friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a channel where we talk about travel, lifestyle and luxury, and everyday entertaining. One of the nicest things that you can do for yourself during your workday is to make yourself a pot of tea. So today I just added a little honey to the bottom of my teapot, and to that I'm adding lemon, as well as a few different tea bags. I like to make myself a little blend. So I'm doing a peach tea bag, I'm doing orange chiffon, and then in my tea basket, I'm going to add a little bit of this peppermint tea. This is a quick and easy way when you're feeling a little tension or the stresses of the day to just bring yourself right back down and to become more mindful. Take your time as you're making your tea and just reflect. Look at each tea leaf, smell them, and just enjoy the process. Today I'm using the Ember mug. My husband got this for me last Christmas and I truly love it. It keeps everything warm so that you can take your time and drink slowly. And it keeps it all at the same temperature. I'll link it down below. I really enjoy this because, you know, the coffee warmers and the tea warmers of old used to just like continue to cook your coffee. This doesn't do that. And then I'm also using, of course, the gooseneck tea kettle. So I'll link that also down below, both of those items. And so I'll just add the hot water to this tea and let it steep. It takes roughly around 5 minutes to do this. And then I go back to my desk and my computer is on. I'm using a honey spoon to stir my tea, but my computer is on, but I turned it off. I turned the screensaver on and I just sat back in my chair and I just reflected and just smelled the tea, enjoyed 5 minutes to myself. You deserve 5 minutes to yourself. And it's so funny, as I was sitting there and being very calm, a deer walked up to my office window. I don't know if you can see her, but there she is right outside the window, and she was just as calm, eating from one of my husband's garden beds. And it was just a beautiful and peaceful moment. I hope you do this for yourself and take the time for yourself. Thanks for watching.